See you later. Yep. Look at this. Oh my.
Kanan, look at the camera.
Isn't she cute?
I know you're sleepy.
I love her eyes.
Say hello. Say hello.
And her mother were extraordinarily chubby.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello to everybody.
Chubby and loud would be you. Can I call you chubby and loud?
You're
Well,
sleepy.
if the shoe fits, boo-boo. If the shoe fits, that's all I'm saying. Because I think they heard you in Park 4. And there's construction going on in Park 4. So what does that tell you? You were LOUD. See the lady's running with her cart. She didn't even want to. Her cart.
Myself.
Really?
It's okay. She's tolerating
Bless
very
you.
well. There's no problem. I didn't have any problem throughout.
Okay, sounds great. Have a good night.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, she goes, I think it's Spanish. Is that for real or Hennessy Street?
Radiant, yes. What is that? Oh, radiant. 54. Hungry
Oh, don't pull the cable.